some great laundry hacks for you. And the first one I want to talk to you about is the dreaded diaper blowout. Got kids? You know what that is. Now, first of all, let me reassure you that this is just coffee. So no worries there. But if you have this kind of a problem happen to you, the first thing you want to do is rinse that area out really, really, really well. Then take some straight, undiluted hydrogen peroxide. And of course, hydrogen peroxide always is in a dark colored bottle because the light turns it into nothing but water. It's a great bleaching agent. Now, as long as the clothes are color fast, you can even use it on those. But you're just going to spray it on, and you'll want to put a really, really heavy coat of it on. Let it really soak in and saturate it well. Let it sit for about half an hour or so, and then flush it and be sure that stain is gone. If there's still a stain, do it again. And on light clothes, you can always lay them out in the sun. It works great. If you've got odor, look for Queen of Clean What Stinks at queenofclean.com. It naturally takes away the odor, and it's safe for everything. Now, for the kids who are in sports, I'm sure all you moms out there and dads have smelled the inside of helmets, the inside of the gloves and stuff. What can you do for that? Well, a simple thing is take about 16 ounces of water, put in about 5 drops of tea tree oil. It's antimicrobial, antibacterial. Then all you're going to do is just spritz the inside of that helmet. It could be a bike helmet, any kind of sports gear at all. Let it dry. It's safe and natural for the kids, and it will take away any of that smell. Now, what can we do to remove smell in our washing machine and do it naturally? A half cup of white vinegar. You can put a half cup of white vinegar in your rinse dispenser, and that will take the fragrance out of everything, no matter how bad it smells. It can be used on underwear, socks, baby things, uniforms, linens, anything, and it will not hurt it. If you got really bad smell, do a half cup in the wash cycle too. For wrinkle removing, you're going to put 2 parts water, 1 part white vinegar into a bottle. You're going to spray it on to your shirt, and then you're just going to start, and you're just going to brush it down just exactly like that, and it will do just as well as something that you paid a lot of money for. Last but not least, if you pull on the shirt over your head and you see your deodorant stayed behind, you can take the foam off of a hanger and you can start and rub it down that to take it off. You can use a dry or softener sheet, or you can even wet a microfiber cloth just till it's damp and rub down on it, and you can go to work without changing your clothes. Now, if you want a printable copy of this, go to queenofclean.com. Check me out at Facebook and Instagram. I'm Real Queen of Clean. Or on YouTube, check out all of my hundreds of videos that are up there. Thanks, guys, for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.